So you guys know that I have just bought a house, which is of course very exciting. And most importantly, it means a new desk setup. So we'll go through the desk. We'll also go through some of the different aspects of the room and the space, because there's a couple of things. First of all is obviously this big kit rack behind me, which for any photographers or videographers, you guys will know the pain of the amount of kit that is required. And this is one of the best ways I have personally come up with of storing everything in one space. So starting with the desk itself, this is a sit-stand desk from a company called Vernal, who actually are sponsoring today's video, which was like a perfect opportunity for me because obviously they make incredible desks. So moving into the new house, they kind of offered to send out one of their desks. They also make this incredible desk chair. We will talk about that in a little bit, but for now we'll just focus on the desk itself. It is a fully sit-stand desk, so we can raise it just like that. It is so smooth, which is really, really impressive. You can see that I've got everything cable managed below the desk here. And again, this is using some of Vernal's cable management systems that, again, I will have linked down below. But we've got kind of a rack up here for all of the cabling. I've got a number of kind of things stuck down, as you can see. But especially for a sit-stand desk, this is like really, really nice in my opinion. Basically, the only cable that can be seen, as you can see, is just that one cable in the middle here, which is a really, really nice feature. Okay, so we go left to right here. So first of all, this is a headphone stand from Groovemade. Some of you guys might know Groovemade, and they make beautiful desk accessories. On it are the Sony WMH X4s, I think. You guys will know the headphones that I'm talking about there. Behind the Shure SM7Bs, that microphone needs no introduction. If you have listened to a bunch of podcasts or anything like that, chances are they're all recorded on that microphone. In terms of speakers, these are unchanged from my previous desk setup. These are the Edifier. I forget the exact model name, but like beautiful, fit really well with the kind of aesthetic that I've got in the office. Like I obviously use a lot of walnut here, and they fit really, really well with that. One of the biggest changes this year is the display. So I was previously using a widescreen Samsung display, but I've actually changed that up. This is an Apple Studio display. I don't really know how I managed to avoid using an Apple Studio display or buying an Apple Studio display. I did for a long time, and my god, like what a godsend that has been. The Studio display definitely is expensive, but it really does pay for itself just in kind of like the quality and accuracy of the displays. There's a couple of really nice aspects that I've been enjoying. Most notably are things like being able to dim the display. Like I couldn't do that on my Samsung, so that is a really nice feature. And just obviously I work on videos for a living, and the reality is like having a beautiful display that's like, you know, retina quality does make a massive, massive difference. So over here we have some cameras, as you guys can see. So we've got an X106, Fujifilm X106, done a couple of videos recently about that on the channel. It's a Sony a7S III. I actually have an FX3 as well, so I don't use that a whole lot anymore, but it is still obviously a really useful camera to have. The Hasselblad X2D 100C behind it, and the Sony a7 IV. Just a few of the cameras I've got lying around. That obviously I work full-time as a photographer and videographer, so that is obviously what those get used for. On the right-hand side, this often comes up, and I have lots of questions asked about this lamp. This was actually sent as a gift, but you can find very similar ones built on Etsy. So they're generally like handmade, the kind of piping and things like that. But I do think they look really cool, and like just obviously a very kind of nice vibe, but it fits clearly with the desk. Everything kind of goes nicely. So that is what's on the desk. In terms of this little layer here. So this is again from Vernal, this raised desk shelf here. I absolutely love this. Not only does it give you essentially a better angle to see your display from, you can also slot obviously things underneath. So I have my computer there. This is the M4 Pro Mac Mini, which I'm still using. It basically just handles whatever I throw at it. So just an unbelievable computer. On the right hand side here, this is a really nice feature of this. You can just pull this out and you have another kind of storage. So I have hard drives, SD and CF card readers there. It's just such a nice little kind of addition to the desk. Just allows you to get some of that clutter off and away. Really, really lovely. One of the really cool features about this desk is basically the speed, stability, and just performance of the motors. So not only obviously can you just control it nice and easy, instantly up and down, you also have these presets. So you can predefine height. So if you want one to be a standing height, your standing desk height, 2 could be a mid height, and 3 could obviously be your kind of standard seating. Just opens up just makes everything so easy. In terms of a keyboard and mouse, I'm not doing anything miraculous here. I'm using an Apple keyboard. This is just the classic Apple wireless keyboard. If it ain't broken, don't fix it. I just love this keyboard. This is the Logitech MX Vertical, I want to say it's called. I actually got this a long time ago when I had like a right wrist injury. I did it playing tennis, and it was like a recurring thing because I play a lot of sport, and it just wouldn't go away. And it was actually got to the point where like my work was making it worse, if that makes sense. So I bought a vertical mouse, and it just allows you to be much more kind of ergonomic. Really, really nice. If nobody's ever tried a vertical mouse, I thoroughly recommend it. It's much, much easier on your wrists. In terms of a desk chair, again, this one is from Vernal. This is just a gorgeous desk chair. I've never actually owned a desk chair like this. I've always kind of used desk chairs a little bit like this one, and we will talk about that just in a little bit. But the amount of support and improvement for my kind of day-to-day life has just been absolutely massive using something like this. You can see everything is kind of adjustable. It gives you a ton of lower back support from here. You can just see that it just gives you tons of support. It's a beautiful desk chair, and I have to admit, I actually didn't think that it was going to improve my life sort of as much as it has, like on a daily basis. So thoroughly recommend getting an actual desk chair. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description. So right now it is Vernal's summer sale, so you can pick up their desks starting from £379 here in the UK. And if you use my link down below in the description, you can get another 6% off. If you place an order today, you could also be entered to win up to £500 worth of prizes. There are lots of different configurations, options, sizes, and also colors to choose from, so you can find the exact desk to fit your needs. And one of the things that actually really surprised me is just how stable it is. It is a super, super good system going up and down for a standing desk. Lots of times they shake, and this is just not the case with this one. But yeah, like I said, one of the first times I've actually owned a desk chair of this quality. I'm thoroughly recommending it. So let's move on to a couple of other aspects in the room here. So I will spin you around. This is basically the kind of like latest kind of big improvement to my life as a videographer. You can see all of the kit that I need pretty much to work on a professional job is here. Like going from the bottom, I have like tripods and lighting modifiers and things like that. And I've got lights and a couple of camera bags and things like that. I've got some lenses, gimbals, camera backpacks, and just everything is so organized. I will do my best to link the type of shelves that I've used. They are extremely heavy duty. I got them from a company called B&Q here in the UK, but you'll be able to find other things, I'm sure. It's basically like a homeware shop, this heavy duty shelving. They did take a while to put up, I won't lie, but yeah, just absolute game changer for me personally with the amount of kit that I own and have to kind of lug around on jobs and that type of thing. And then what we'll do is spin around to the other area in the office. This is probably something you'll recognize, although it's going to be the other side of it here. So first off, I have my YouTube studio light here. I just leave this rigged up on a C-stand. As you can tell, it's just a really old Godox light at the top there. I have a permanent fixture tripod, as you can see, just there. This is a Sony FX3. This is like kind of my camera that I use for everything. I shoot YouTube videos on it, all that type of thing. I'm about to go and pack for a shoot, so that's why everything is, these things are out. But this is my old desk setup. You'll obviously recognize that from my YouTube videos, from previous YouTube videos and things like that. But I've decided to keep this, first of all, because it gives me a nice YouTube angle, but also it is so useful for storage. These are IKEA I think they're called Alex drawers, and you can see how much they actually hold. Like, there's a ton of storage in them, and I actually couldn't do without those in here. I'd have to have some other really big kind of storage cupboard or something like that. And this is the desk chair that I was previously using, and as you can see, just look at the difference here in terms of support. It just, yeah, is an absolute game changer. If you take anything away from this video, it's probably to check out a really good desk chair, because it will probably change your life. So yeah, that kind of ties up everything that is in the studio space, the desk setup behind me. If you have any questions, definitely drop them in the comments down below. Everything will be linked down there. Again, you can check out the Vernal Summer Sale. The link in the description will give you additional 6% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.